Hi again, everybody. Hi-Ho Silver here, coming to you from the lake under this beautiful sky, which is about 10 minutes from the bunker, which is deep in the woods of the Pacific Northwest. Well, it's time to put on some happy jazz and take a look at the things I grabbed this week. Well, I'm going to slip on my gloves here first in case Frank P. Numismetals is watching. Not necessary this week, but just in case. Well, I got $8 worth of junk silver here. Super slick stuff. They're all standing liberties. There's one Washington quarter in there. I think I paid $10.12 for face value. I'll take it. I also grabbed a second one of these. This is the Shades of Nature 2014. It's the first release of a series that has a different coin each year. This is the B. It's super cool. I like it a lot. I got a box for my other one, but they didn't originally come with a box. Just the coin and capsule and a certificate of authenticity. I did a nice musical look at this coin. Just click the eye up in the right hand corner and you can see that. It's got really great detail. It's got some colorization right there on the little parts of the flower. Gives it good depth, and then some nice micro minting on the wings and other parts of the bee. Super cool. Just 2,000 of these minted. 25 grams of 0.925 silver. I'll be selling this one. I grabbed it just because it was a really good deal, and if you're interested, let me know. Now let's look at this Bison bullion bar. Super cool. I love this thing. I had, until this purchase, a rule of not buying anything over 10 ounces because sometimes it's hard to sell the larger pieces, especially if spot goes up. But APMEX was having their little 35% off premiums, and this was included among those. I think it ended up being about $2.50 per ounce over spot. It's a 15 ouncer. Super cool. I love how it looks. It's not a vintage bar, but it really has a kind of a vintagey look and character to it. You can see here, really cool. Let me zoom in on there. Yeah. Very nice. Love it. It's nice and thick, and it's got those great pore lines. Look how the light bounces off of that. Super gorgeous. This is just fun to look at in all the different detail. Very well poured. And you can see here the marks they stamp in there. There's their logo, Bison bullion. And 15 troy ounces, 0.999 fine silver. Just beautiful. Well, there it is. Another week stacking silver. $8 face value of junk silver. Really slick junky junk. 1 ounce, almost 1 ounce, Shades of Nature B coin, and then that beautiful Bison bar. We'll see you all again. Take care.